For over 50 years, SVL Service has been dedicated to helping you, our valued customers, start, set up, and warrant the equipment you specify and purchase from SVL. Our commitment to excellence has always been our driving force. Our well-staffed union service technicians are second to none. Each has undergone factory training and brings decades of experience to the table. They understand the dynamics and complexity of system and controls communication that can impact your equipment. Simply put, our techs look beyond the box to guarantee everything runs smooth. SVL is incredibly proud of our culture and the way we support you with comprehensive after-the-sale assistance. Our goal is to maintain your satisfaction long after the initial purchase. Be sure to specify factory authorized startup with a first-year labor and parts warranty. This ensures you get the best performance and reliability from your equipment right from the start. Oftentimes, we take care of problems before others are even aware that there was an issue. At SVL, we're here to support you every step of the way.